Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys, here in dark Florida. It's been raining and dark all day, and it's the sun's gone down, and it's good soup weather. We actually had chili for dinner and homemade cornbread. It was yummy. I came in to play on this 16 by 16 gallery wrapped canvas. I'm gonna do a jiggle pour, a straight traveling jiggle pour. That's what I call it because I jiggle. And then I'm gonna kind of overstretch it. I'm going for a very nice kind of sky, and then on the bottom side I think I'll do a silhouette of mountains or something. We'll see, who knows, maybe I'll do the sea, but I'll probably do this in 2 parts, the sky as part 1, and then stare at it, which I do up on a little wall I have in front of me, and decide what to do on the bottom. Maybe I'll do some mixed media down here. I don't know. I've just got some yummy colors that I want to fiddle with. Let's talk about our flow extender or our base coat, which is a little bit thinner than our pour colors. This is my slop bucket paint. It's all the drippings, and people ask me all the time, if you scrape it off that pee-pee pad, why don't you have a bunch of fibers in it? Well, I don't. I just lightly scrape it with my paint scraper or a big stir stick into a puddle, and then I pick it up and I dump it in 1 cup, and then when I'm all done, I take it over and I put it in my strainer into another cup, and I have no fibers, no goobers, no little hairy things, so it works. The pee-pee pads are just really easy for me. I have a wonderful silicone mat from Floetrol Co. But if I come in here and I just want to do my thing, and when I'm done, I just kind of wrap this messiness up, it's a lot easier than scraping sometimes. But I use both. But that is our flow extender, and our colors are yummy. Working with these tri-art paints, which I absolutely love, and from what I understand, they're going to be going on sale this week at Floetrol Co, guys, so head on over there. I know that I will. This is yummy. This is tri-art, and this is their golden orange. I know it looks really dark, but it's almost like a nickel azo gold with a little bit of chocolate added to it. It's very yummy, very creamy, very easy to mix. That is tri-art golden orange from Floetrol Co. It is a high velocity paint, and I'm excited to be using it, guys. They have so many wonderful colors. This right here is yummy too. I know it looks dark, but it is Golden Fluids Alizarin Crimson hue. Let me give you a little close-up of this paint as well. Let me get this out of the way. This is just a beautiful, like a nice Malbec wine. It's really yummy. And our paints are thick today. I put a squeeze of GAC 800 in every paint after I add it to the cup, and different cups got different amounts of paint. My Golden Fluids got just a little squeeze of pigment, and then my GAC 800, and then I thicken them up with Floetrol, which is the European version of our Floetrol. It's just much thicker. Right here, this is lovely as well. This is tri-art, and this is their permanent crimson. I will list everything for you in the description box. At least I'll try to remember to do that. But this is beautiful, guys. Just a crimsony, rosy, wonderful shades. We're getting our kind of pinky oranges on. This is pretty. I was on the fence about it, but I thought to myself, let's just give it a go. Why not? That is also tri-art, and that is the Q word in Magenta. Lovely fluid paints, guys. So creamy, so easy to mix. I tell you about them because I like them, plain and simple. Look at this. This is fun. This reminds me of my TLP mango, which I love. Look at that. That is delicious. That is Tri-Art, and that is their Indian yellow hue. That's a good color, guys. It's hard to pick. There are so many of them. Yummy Goodness right here, Amsterdam Expert Series, and that is their permanent orange. Let's take a close-up of that. Those Expert Series by Amsterdam, which I also get at Fluid Art Co., is a very, very thick, high pigmented paint. You don't need a lot of it. Isn't that yummy? Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna fiddle with some bright colors. Well, bright, warm colors, I think. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna layer my cup, and then I am going to put down some of my flow extender, kind of like my runway, and I am gonna tilt and overstretch. I use a little bit more paint than normal in this, but believe me you, it gets scraped up and reused. Gonna stretch that out and then do a second cup, possibly a third. I don't know. We'll see what the paint gods tell us. I'm glad you're here, guys. I'm gonna put some nice music on for me because that's kind of what I'm feeling, and I hope I do the same for you. Let's get busy.